channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So I received some surprise friend mail from my friend Carla at Heart, also known as Carla. And she was so sweet. She mentioned to me she was sending me something, but I didn't know it was going to be like all of this. She sent it in a BoxyCharm premium box. You guys know these are pretty big boxes, and I could not believe it when I received it today. It was just a sweet, kind gesture from her, and of course I wanted to share with you guys. Her channel will be linked down below. If you don't know who she is, or you have not visited her channel, definitely do so. She's very, very sweet, and I'm just so grateful that we crossed paths and on this platform. Truly consider her one of my great friends. I'm going to show you guys all the awesome things she sent me. I didn't look at every specific thing. I just seen that it was a lot, and so I wanted to share that with you guys today. Okay, so I'm just going to pull. The first thing I see is a number 7's Advanced Night Retinol. It looks like a little sample. Number 7 has a lot of awesome products, skincare. This next thing she sent me is super beautiful. It's a little, I guess, hanging thing you can put. It's a little cross. I love it. It says, "Love one another as I have loved you," John 13:34. So pretty. I absolutely love things like this. And I'll definitely find a place behind me to hang it with the other things that I have there. Anytime I get things like that, I like to put them up and display them. The next thing is Defender Plus Antibacterial Wipes with Aloe. These are probably, I don't think these are face wipes. I think these are like sanitizing hand wipes. So it says it kills 99.9% of germs. Contains 75% alcohol with a fresh breeze scent, and there are 20 in there. You can never have enough of these. I keep them in my purse, my car, here at my area, so that is great. The next thing is Lux Lash Kit. It looks like it comes with lashes. It says it comes with a tweezer as well, and these are in the style Winged and Bold. And it's been years since I've tried e.l.f.'s lashes, so I'm really excited to have this because I don't have any others like this. It looks like they are shorter on the inside and longer on the outside, so I think that is going to be super nice. The next thing is Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shields for fast and flawless eye makeup application. I don't think I've ever heard of this. This is super exciting. But it's in this box here, and it looks like that. So I guess they're not the paper that you throw away kind. They're the reusable type. Let's try to open it and see. So you actually have to hold it under one side of your eye as you're using it, and then go over to the next side. But that's not bad at all. That's super nice. I have never seen this, so that is great. Excited to have that. I use a lot of shadows that have a lot of fallout, so that's going to come in handy. And then it looks like she sent me the 4th Ray Beauty Later Hater Blemish stickers, and I did get this in a mystery box that I got from ColourPop, and I have already started using them, and I'm sharing them with my daughter. So I really appreciate that she thought to send me these, because those would definitely come in handy for both me and my daughter. So thank you for that. Love getting cards. Look how pretty this is. So pretty. Super beautiful. I save all my cards. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so glad that I can be a blessing to people. It makes me feel so good, whether it's just praying for them, encouraging them. That is one of the biggest reasons I do YouTube, because I love to help people, try to help people feel better, and I love praying for people, and I love to see people prosper and do well and just be happy in life. You know what I mean? I have my times as well where I go through spurts of being down. I know that life can sometimes be tough, and I know that we're all, you know, here to love one another, encourage one another, and so the fact that I'm able to do that using this platform, I'm so grateful for that. So know that there's reasons we're put in each other's lives. It's to help, encourage, to support in every area, and that's who and what I try to be. And so, like I've told you guys so many times, this platform has given me that ability to do that. I've had many ask for prayer or just encourage somebody when I didn't know what they were going through, but I felt to encourage them, and they just, you know, were like, I needed this at this time. So I'm just so grateful for that aspect of this platform and to be able to do that. Looks like she sent me some masks. This one here is Totally Gnarly Fruit Punch Scented Hydrating Mask right there. Super cute packaging. Daughter might steal that one. This is the Freeman Soothing Watermelon and Aloe Cooling Gel Mask. I do love Freeman masks. And I don't think this is a sheet mask. This is more of a gel mask where you have to put it on your face. I love those. This one, oh, this is super cute. This is Llama Cotton Candy Scented Mask. My daughter may steal these from me. Okay, and then the last three things I am pulling out. So let's start with this first one. This is the Ofra On The Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. I cannot believe she sent me this. I'm so grateful. It is so heavy. And I heard her say something like this was $100 and something originally. Like if you buy it, I could not believe it. It's pretty crazy. But it has a couple bronzers, some highlighters, 3 highlighters. It has Rodeo Drive highlighter. And they are the kind that you can take out of the packaging. So that's cool because I do have a palette I could put them in right there because this is kind of heavy and bulky. That is what it looks like. So it has, again, the Americano bronzer, Egyptian clay bronzer, which has like a highlight in it, Blissful highlighter, Beverly Hills highlighter, Rodeo Drive highlighter, California Dream Triangle. So I'm assuming on this one you could probably blend them together. I don't know exactly. I'll have to look into it. But there is like a blush and then the 2 bronzers. One's luminous and one is not. That is what they look like right there. Hopefully you can see them. This is what it looks like. So they're really nice and really pretty. I may transfer them out of this just because, like I said, it's so bulky, and I do have an additional palette if I can fit it in there, and if not, I'm not worried about it. I'll leave it in here, but thank you so much for this. I can't believe you sent me that, but I'm so, so grateful. Also sent me the Zodiac, BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, 25 color eyeshadow palette, and I have seen this, and I wanted this in the past, and I just never picked it up. I don't know why, but my friend Beth has this, and she raves about it and talks about how good it is and all that. They are all baked shadows, and actually in the middle has some mattes, so that's great. You see, you get all those mattes that are here in the middle, and then all the rest of them are baked shadows. And I'm assuming that middle one is probably can be used as a highlighter or a shadow, whatever you want, but it's really, really nice. And definitely excited to have this. Very, very pretty. And I did hear that the baked formula is really nice from BH Cosmetics, so thank you for that. Okay, and then the last thing that she sent me the Nomad America's Parks palette. This will be the second Nomad palette that I own. The first one I got in a BoxyCharm, and they do have very, very beautiful shadows. I have seen them. It does have a pretty mirror, and then these are all of the shades. Absolutely beautiful palette. Look at that. So pretty. The names. This shade looks so nice. The Narrows. I'm just going to have to swatch that for you guys because, oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. It's like a rosy gold. Look at that. Right there. How beautiful is that? So, so pretty. That's a shade that you can definitely just put on the lid if you wanted to and go. So pretty. And it felt really nice when I was swatching it. Again, this is the second palette I own from them. I do like how they have the embossments. This color, Big Bend, oh my, it's like a dual chromed. Like it looks gold and then it looks taupey, but then it comes off green. Look at that. So pretty. Cannot wait to play with this at all. So, so nice. Thank you so much, Carla. I cannot believe that you sent me this, but I'm super grateful. I'm always grateful when I get anything. You know, people showing their kindness and doing this nice gesture. It means a lot to me, and I don't take it for granted. So thank you so much. So that is the surprise friend mail that my friend Carla sent me. Again, all her channel information will be linked down below for you guys. I just want to say to you, Carla, thank you so, so much. I really do appreciate it. I do appreciate your friendship, your kindness, always supporting me no matter what with my channel and my platforms. And I'm just so thankful to you. You are one of those that I can depend on. So thank you so much. And thank you so much for all of these kind gifts. I cannot wait to play in them. Definitely check her out, you guys. I think you will enjoy her. This is going to complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending time with me and taking time to watch. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Bye, guys.